Hi, I'm Kevin O'Brien, Recreation Superintendent at the City of Faribault. A quick update for the aquatics scene for the month of June. The Faribault Family Aquatic Center is open June 6th, starting with tot and sensory friendly time from 11 to noon, and then general open swim from noon to 8 p.m. We'll have varied programs from lap swim from 11 to 12 Monday through Friday. We will have lap swim going till 12:30 on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays to try to help get those that would like an outdoor swim during their lunch break a little bit more time. And then Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, we will have evening lap swim the last hour of the day. So come check out the Faribault Family Aquatic Center. We are excited to welcome you into the pool for another summer at the outdoor pool. Also, watch our calendar on the city website for special events such as teen nights. And then the Muddy Mile has been shifted to the last week of the Aquatic Center being open during the operating day. It's no longer in the evening during the operation day, but we will wrap up at 6 o'clock. But just a slightly different model for that program. So look for the Muddy Mile. The last week the pool is open. Also changing is that there is no longer weekend programming at the community center pool, as all of those programs kind of shift to the outdoor family aquatic center. So no open swim on Saturdays and Sundays, no Zumba, and no lap swim on Saturdays and Sundays. Please enjoy the lap swim and open swim at the Faribault Family Aquatic Center. Again, thank you. We're excited to see you at the outdoor pool. Again, for tot and sensory friendly time from 11 to noon and noon to 8 p.m. for open swim 7 days a week. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Caitlin.
And we're youth leaders and coaches here at Faribault Parks and Rec, and we're super excited for this summer. Here's a look at some of the camps we're running.
One of our camps is the Rice County Safety Camp put on by the Fire Department, the Police Department, Park and Rec, and the Rice County Sheriff's Department. It runs from June 29th to July 1st at North Alexander Park. Entering grades 3 through 5. It covers 12 safety topics in a fun and interactive way.
Our next camp in the summer is Fun Center, youth ages 6 through 12. It programs Monday through Thursday and runs from 8:30 to 4:30. Choose morning, afternoon, or full day. First camp starts June 8th. Spend the summer with us playing games, doing crafts, and spending time outside.
Our next camp is the Washington Camp. It is for youth ages 3.5 to 7 at the Washington Rec Center. It is only in the morning, and the June camps are the Curious Explorers and the Adventure Zone, and the July camps are Playtopia, Little Engineers, Farm Fun, and Science Camp.
Our last one is Youth Ball at Jefferson. Little Tykes is for 4-year-olds, and the June program is already full, but there's still opportunities to sign up for July. T-ball is 5 or entering kindergarten. Soft pitch is entering grades 1st and 2nd. FPR coaches set up practices, games, and it's in the evenings at the Jefferson ball fields. It starts the week of June 8th and ends July 23rd.
Hey everybody, my name's Devin Pawarick, Recreation Coordinator with Faribault Park and Rec. Got some upcoming activities in June to share with you. Starting off with our youth sports, we have North Alex Baseball starting on June 8th. The 3rd through 5th graders will be playing from 10:30 a.m. to noon. 6th through 8th graders will play from 9 to 10:30, and that'll be at North Alex Field number 3. We have a few coaches from the Faribault High School team coaching, so it'll be really fun to get out there. We also have youth tennis. Session 1 will begin on June 9th with 3 different levels starting between 5 p.m. and 7:15. We're going to be having Skyhawks coaching this program, so that'll be really cool to see. And then youth golf. That'll be on Tuesdays with 3 sessions throughout the summer, and that's going to run from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at Legacy Golf Course with Piper Hill as the instructor. And then down at Viaduct Park, the splash pad is now open 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day through Labor Day. Building hours, Monday through Friday, we are open from noon to 2 p.m. and then we're also going to be open from 4:30 to 6:30, so come in and grab some concessions down there. We're also starting our summer Monday Marshmallow Series, our science camp. That's their ages 5 through 8. That's going to be starting on June 15th, and that runs from 4:15 to 5:45. And we're super excited for the Splash Pad series. Our first June one is going to be the inflatable takeover. We're going to have the bounce house, the Gaga pit out, and that's going to be on June 27th from 12 to 2. It's free, so everybody come on down and get wet and have some good times. Thank you.